favorite Girl Scout cookie. Okay, for me it's a tie between Thin Mints and Samoas. So I decided to create two cakes, a Thin Mint cake and a Samoa cake. In this one though, we're gonna show you how to make a Thin Mint cake that looks just exactly and tastes exactly like a Thin Mint, but you could also take it to that whole next level and make it a Thin Mint explosion cake. Talk about taking your passion for Girl Scout cookies to a whole new level. We're also having to give away $500 worth of Amazon gift cards. So make sure you check the description below so you can enter as well and you have a chance of winning either a $100 gift card or several $25 gift cards. So check it out. 3, 2. We're also having a $500 Amazon gift card giveaway, so check out, it is so amazing. Here's how you make it.
Mix 2 boxes of Pillsbury Thin Mints cookie mix. Follow the directions on the package and then double it. I added water, eggs, and softened butter. Mixed it with the mixer. If you can't find the Thin Mints box, just make 1 chocolate cake mix and add 1 teaspoon peppermint extract to give it that mint flavor. Spray with a non-stick coating and bake in a 9 or 10 inch round pan. Bake as directed. Once it's cooled, I placed it in the freezer for a bit just to firm up. I then took a knife and then cut off the edge so it kind of looked like the shape of a large Thin Mint. Then, in a double boiler or heat-resistant bowl, put in 2½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate. Cut up 8 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons corn syrup. You can heat it up over a double boiler, but I do have a tip. If you don't have one, I used a crock pot bowl, but you can also use a smaller pan, and then mix it until it's melted. Once it's melted, add 3/4 teaspoons vanilla. Stir. Now pour it onto your cake and spread it out on the top and the sides. Let it cool, and you have a cake that looks like a large Thin Mint. And now it's time to make the topper. First, crush some cookies in a baggie. Heat up 1 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate melting wafers in the microwave 30 seconds at a time and stir in between until it's fully melted. Once melted, put it in a baggie and cut off the tip. On parchment paper and using skewers in between, create what looks like the box pouring onto the cake. Pour on top and then add those crushed pieces of cookie on top. Now you can put more chocolate on the cake and make it look like it's flowing over the cake. Pour on top and add crushed pieces of cookies on top of that. Now you can pour more chocolate on the cake and make it look like it's flowing off the cake.
Of course, we want to thank you so much for watching. We're going to make a whole lot of cakes as well as some healthy food as well, so you can have that great balance with your family. Of course, we'd love you to give us a thumbs up and click on those post notifications so you can find out the next time we have a video popping up, and let us know some things you'd like us to make in the future as well as cakes and cooking. We'll see you next time. Bye.